we hear another one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Tell you what, you guys have been an awesome audience. Groucho, why don't you give these guys a great big kiss? Good stuff, that kiss is right. Okay, thank you. All right, Groucho, whatever song you want to sing, buddy. Got one? Okay. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Groucho. I think you know what? That's better than American Idol. That was good. Yes, it is. Who would want a bird like that, huh? Yeah, you know what, Joe? I got to tell you. First of all, Groucho here's one in a million. Yeah, we've never seen another parrot who likes to mimic as much as he does. And I got to tell you, that parrots can be challenging in the house. Really? Why is that? Well, they bite really hard. Oh. They're extremely loud. They will chew on your furniture. Yeah, been a bird like Groucho for the 40, maybe 50 years. You're kidding? I am not. You know, I got no idea birds were smart like that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Lots of smart birds up there. I know that. How would you like to meet another one? I'd like to meet another one. Okay. I'll be behind the tree. Oh, go ahead. All right, folks, let's meet him. His name is Foster. Foster is a rose-breasted cockatoo joining us from that window. These guys are normally found in Australia. Now, they call him Sloth. That's their nickname. Now, to demonstrate how intelligent Foster is, I need the help of an adult volunteer with a $1 bill. It's still early. All right, ma'am, all the way in the back. Look at that. She's already ready. All right, then. Yep, you got it. Like me, one standing up, $1 in my hand. Yes, ma'am. Hold that $1 to the side, just like that. No, you can stay right there. You can stay right there. All right, Foster's going to fly out there. It's a nice big flight. He's going to grab that $1. Come on. Show everybody where that goes. Right in my pocket. Where it goes. Thank you very much, Jim. Enjoy the rest of the show. So on this side, wants to see what he'll do for a 20. That little boy's raising his hand there. It's like, no, you don't. Just kidding, man. I'll make you look. He's like, give it back. It's in our contract. All right, hold your arm out to the side, pull him up. Now, when he gives it to you, ma'am, kind of wrap it like that so it doesn't blow away. See if I can find that $1. There it is. All right, let me fold it up. There you go, buddy. Hold your arm out. He's going to give you that $1. Grab it. That was perfect. Give me an applause. We're on our volunteer. Okay, that's incredible. And you know what? That is something you don't see every day. I know. Yeah, money back in a theme park.